Hello, knitters and makers, and welcome to my studio. My name is Lesley Ann Robinson, the designer behind Knit Graffiti Designs. And today I would like to talk about a very fun retreat where I will be teaching this coming January 31st through February 2nd in Kansas City, Missouri. It's called Artistic Expressions, a studio retreat. And this is going to be at the historic President Hotel. I'm so excited to be a part of this. I will be teaching 3 workshops, 2 dedicated to brioche knitting and 1 dedicated to one of my other knitting obsessions, condo knitting. So the first class I'll be teaching is called Deliciously Brioche, okay? We're not going to be eating our brioche, just going to be knitting it. But I will be teaching, this is perfect for beginners. So if you've never knit brioche before and you want to learn in person, this is the best way to learn. So this is an example of what we'll be doing in the class. This is my Brio Comfort hat. We won't be knitting this exactly, but this shows you how to work 1 color brioche in the round. This shows you how to work 2 color brioche in the round, okay, which is, in my opinion, the best way to learn this fascinating technique, okay? And so this is a great example of a great beginner brioche pattern, okay? My goal in life is to basically make brioche super fun and approachable to knitters of all levels and ages, I guess? I don't know. So the second class I'll be teaching is my Breezy Condo class. This is perfect for beginner knitters or knitters of any level who want to take their garter stitch to the next level, okay? Condo knitting is a technique I found early in my design career, and this is an example. This is my condominium cowl pattern. Okay, so it's knit flat, right? Garter stitch knit flat is such a breezy stitch pattern, but you're adding a little bit of a different technique by using 2 different size needles to create these kind of dropped stitch looking textures in the fabric. So it's super fun. And if there's time in the class, we can also cast on one of my favorite shawl patterns, which is called, this is it right here, Breezy Cabana. Okay, so this is a great shawl for beginners, beginner knitters. If you've never knit a shawl before, this is a great pattern. It's very kind of potato chippy, you know, you don't want to put it down. You just want to go 1 more row. And it's written as sort of a formula, so you can use any weight yarn that you have. This is using lace weight. You can use any weight yarn. So yeah. So that is super fun, one of my favorite shawl patterns. And then my final class that I'll be teaching is Elegant Brioche, which is a great way to take your brioche knitting to the next level. Okay, we'll be knitting a swatch of my super popular Sizzle Pop shawl pattern, which you can see here. Okay, this is a stitch pattern that I developed at the beginning of my design career, and it is just so much fun and very repetitive. So it's a great way to learn more advanced techniques with the increases and the decreases. So I've included a link in my description where you can sign up for this retreat, and I hope that you enjoy, and I hope to see you there. Thank you so much.